Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, 19 number simple and compound to complex. Okay, look here. What do you mean by the complex sentence? We want to understand first. Okay, look here. A sentence that contains means include. Okay, contains means include an independent clause and one or more dependent clause is called complex sentence. Means complex sentence means what? A sentence which have more than two sentences. Okay, more than two sentences. And first one is independent and the second one is dependent. At least two sentences or more than two. Okay. For example, look here. He is a good writer as well as an effective teacher. Okay. He is a good writer. The first sentence is here. Look here. Here we use as well as this subordinating conjunction. Do you understand? Are you remember or recall these things? Okay. As well as is related with subordinating conjunction. Okay. And effective teacher. It is another one sentence. Okay. That means a complex sentence which have one is independent clause. Okay. Independent clause, that means it gives proper meaning or complete meaning. He is a good writer. This is a independent clause or one sentence like this. Okay, and another one or more dependent. Look here, and effective teacher, it is depend upon this independent clause. Okay, and effective teacher, this totally depend upon the above sentence. Okay, on he is a good writer. Are you getting my point? So that this sentence related with complex sentence. So that this sentence related with complex sentence. Okay, complex sentence means a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clause is called complex sentence. Okay, now the second definition is here. Complex sentence are those, look here, complex sentence are those that begin with a subordinating conjunctions. That begin means start. Okay, begin means start. Begin with subordinating conjunction. I already told you that is subordinating conjunction. Okay, complex sentence are those that begins with subordinating conjunctions, and in previous classes we had learned related with subordinating conjunctions and which are they and when we use subordinating conjunction. Okay, now here look here, you are leaving this place. This is our simple sentence. Also the next one, you must clean it up. Okay, these are the two simple sentences. We want to convert these two simple sentences into complex sentence. Okay, in Marathi simple sentence means सरळ वाक्य किंवा साधे वाक्य. Okay, compound means संयुक्त वाक्य and complex means मिश्र वाक्य. Okay, now we want to convert this simple sentence into complex sentence. Look here, you must clean this place before you leave. In this example, we use here this subordinating conjunctions before. Okay, you must clean this place before you leave. Okay, so that it become a complex sentence. Okay, are you getting my point, dear students? Look here, while we are changing any simple or compound sentence into a complex sentence, that time we use subordinating conjunction. That time we use which conjunction? Subordinating conjunctions. Remember these subordinating conjunctions we use while we are converting any simple or any compound sentence into a complex sentence. Are you understand? And when we want to convert any simple or complex sentence into a compound sentence, that time we use coordinating conjunctions. They are in 7 numbers. In last period we had learned all things related with that compound sentence. Okay, now look here, the next sentence is here. He think he is a smart but he isn't. Okay, in this example we use here coordinating conjunctions. Are you getting my point? Coordinating conjunctions. It is one compound sentence. Okay, he think he is smart but he isn't. here we use coordinating conjunctions. Here we use which conjunction? Coordinating conjunction. So that this sentence related with compound sentence, and now we want to change that compound sentence into complex sentence. So remove that coordinating conjunction and use, instead of coordinating conjunction, there subordinating conjunctions. Are you getting my point? Okay, we want to remove that coordinating conjunction. Instead of coordinating conjunctions, we want to use their subordinating conjunctions. Okay, look here. Here we use that subordinating conjunctions. Although. Okay, are you getting that? Although is a subordinating conjunctions. Okay, although he thinks he is smart, comma, he isn't. Here we want to give one comma and then we want to write he isn't. Okay, here we use that subordinating conjunction. So automatically it converts into a complex sentence. Compound into complex sentence. This sentence related with compound. Okay, are you getting that? Compound sentence. And this one is complex sentence. Are you getting that? The difference between two: compound sentence we use coordinating conjunctions, and in complex sentence we use subordinating conjunction. This is the difference between compound and complex sentence. Now look here. Here is one question related with our topic name. We want to solve it. Okay. Combine the following simple sentences to form a single complex sentence. Here are some simple sentences. Two simple sentences we want to form. Form means prepare. Okay, remember this. Form means prepare a single complex sentence. Using two simple sentences, we want to create or we want to form a single complex sentence. Okay, look here. The first sentence is here. You have diabetes. It is one simple sentence. And now, you must not eat sweet food. This is the another simple sentence. We want to join these two simple sentences into one. Okay, to make a complex sentence. That means we want to form the complex sentence. So look here. You must not eat sweet food because. Okay, here we use subordinating conjunctions. Because is also subordinating conjunctions. Okay, you must not eat sweet food because you have diabetes. So it make a like complex sentence. Are you getting my point? Now the second one is, look here. E-books are popular, full stop. People still prefer reading printed material. In this example, we want to join these simple sentences into a complex. So we can use here this although, subordinating conjunctions. Okay, although e-books are popular, comma, people still prefer reading printed material. In this way, we can solve these questions. Okay, using subordinating conjunctions, we can make complex sentence. I hope you understood the whole thing related with this point, related with complex sentence and its definition. Also, how to identify and first understand subordinating conjunction and then coordinating conjunctions. Okay, and you can solve the remaining exercise in your book. Okay, the next part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.